Have you ever wondered what foods are included in a carnivore diet? Well, it's time to satisfy that curiosity. Picture a diet where the menu revolves primarily around foods from the animal kingdom. Intriguing, isn't it? First off, let's dive into the world of meat. The carnivore diet embraces an array of meats, including beef in the form of steak, ground beef, and roasts, and pork, which you can enjoy as bacon, pork chops, or pork loin. Lamb is also a significant player, with chops and shoulder making the cut. For those with a penchant for game, venison and bison are on the plate as well. And let's not forget organ meats, like liver, heart, and kidney, which provide a nutrient-rich choice. Next, we take flight into the realm of poultry. The usual suspects, chicken and turkey, are definitely included. From chicken breasts, thighs, and wings to turkey breast and ground turkey, the options are quite diverse. Swimming into the waters of fish, we find salmon, tuna, cod, trout, sardines, and mackerel, each one a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. For those who enjoy the fruits of the sea, shellfish are a go. Shrimp, crab, lobster, mussels, clams, and oysters all are welcomed with open arms. Let's crack open the egg category. Here we have chicken eggs, duck eggs, and quail eggs, each offering a compact package of essential nutrients. And what about dairy? While some individuals may tolerate dairy well, others may not. If you're in the former group, you can enjoy hard cheeses like cheddar, gouda, and parmesan, as well as butter and heavy cream. As for fats and oils, the carnivore diet includes beef tallow, lard, duck fat, butter, ghee, and even bacon grease. But remember this important point. The carnivore diet typically excludes all plant-based foods. That means fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are off the table. It's a diet that focuses solely on animal-based products. However, before you dive into this dietary lifestyle, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional. Making significant dietary changes, like adopting a carnivore diet, should always involve professional guidance to ensure you're maintaining a balanced and healthy approach to eating. So, there you have it, the carnivore diet in a nutshell. It's a fascinating world of food, isn't it?